Hello student, welcome to next lecture of Advanced Java Programming. The learning outcome of today's video is Java database connectivity. Okay, so let's start. There are 5 steps to connect any Java application with the database using JDBC. So these steps are as follow. Okay, so when you want to connect Java application with any database, that time these 5 steps are very important, and we see one by one. And these steps are: first step is register the driver class, second step create connection, third create statement, fourth step execute query, and last one close connection. So these 5 steps are very important when you want to connect any database with the Java application. Okay, so next first step is register the driver class. Okay, so the for name method of class is used to register the driver class. Okay, so it is very important method. For name, f small n capital, for name method is from the class, is used to register the driver class. This method is used to dynamically load the driver class. Okay, so remember this method, for name method, used for the registration of the driver class. Next, the syntax of the for name method is like this: public static void for name method, which have one parameter string class name. Okay, and this method may be throw the class not found exception. Okay, so this is syntax of the for name method. Then next we see the example to register the Oracle driver class. Okay, so in example we see the Oracle driver class is registered. Okay, so here Java program is loading Oracle driver to establish the database connection. Okay, so code is displayed like this: class dot for name, in bracket we pass the string class name. Okay, so for Oracle it is oracle.jdbc.driver dot oracle driver. Okay, so it is different for different database. Okay, so for Oracle it use this class name. Okay, so it is first step. In first step, important is for name method. Okay, which is used for the registration of the driver class. Next, second step, create the connection object. Okay, so in second step we create the connection object, the get connection method. Okay, so in second step get connection method is very important. The get connection method of driver manager class is used to establish the connection with the database. Okay, so remember this method, get connection method from driver manager class. Okay, then syntax of get connection method is display like public static connection get connection, in bracket string URL, which which may be throw the SQL exception. And the second syntax is public static connection get connection, which have 3 parameters: string URL, string name, and string password, which may also be throw the SQL exception. Okay, so we can use any one of this syntax to create the connection of object. Okay, then the example to establish the connection with Oracle database: connection con. Okay, so here one object is created, connection con is equal to driver manager is the class, dot get connection is the method from driver manager class, and in bracket we pass the here we use the second syntax of the get connection method. First one is string URL, then string name. Okay, the system, and the last one is password. Okay, so by this here con is the object is connected, sorry, object is created of connection class. Okay, so con is the object. So this is second step, and in second step important is get connection method, which used to create the connection object. Okay, here these two are the syntax to create the get connection. Okay, connection object. Next, third step is create the statement object. Okay, so statement is also one interface So in third statement, third step, create statement method of connection interface is used to create the statement. The object of statement is responsible to execute query with the database. Okay, so here the in third step, create statement method is very important, and the syntax for create statement method is public statement create statement which not have any parameter and which may throw the SQL exception. Okay, then the example of the create statement statement stmt is equal to con dot create statement. Okay, so in last step we create the connection object, that is con is the connection object, and here we create the statement object. So statement stmt is the statement object is equal to con dot create statement method is used. Okay, so this is third step, and in third step create statement method is used. Okay, remember the methods. Every steps have one respective method, and remember the syntax of that method. Okay, only 5 steps are there: first, second, third, and in next step, fourth step, execute the query. Okay, so for in fourth step, execute query method of statement interface is used to execute the query to the database. Okay, so here another method, execute query, used for the execution of your query in database. This method returns the object of result set that can be used to get all the records of the table. Okay, so this method returns the result set that you want to search or that you want to find from the database. Next, the syntax of the execute query method is display like this: public result set execute query, which have one parameter string SQL and which may throw the SQL exception. The example of query, execute query is like this: result set rs is the object of result set is equal to statement stmt, which is we create in last step, dot execute query, and in bracket select start from emp. So in bracket we pass the our query. Okay, then while rs dot next, then system dot out dot print rs dot get in one or rs dot get in two. Okay, so this code may be different, but remember this syntax. Okay, according to your requirement, the next code is changed. Okay, this code is very important. Result set rs is equal to stmt dot execute query, and in bracket we pass the query, database query. Okay, then last step is the close the connection object. Okay, so it is final step, closing the connection. By closing connection, object statement and result set will be closed automatically. Okay, the close method of connection interface is used to close the connection. Okay, so in fifth step, close method is used. Syntax for close method: public void close, which may be through the SQL exception, and the example is simple: con connection con dot close. Okay, so these are the 5 steps to connect with the any database, and it is very important. Okay, so every steps have one method. Remember that method. First step, to register the driver class, method is for name. Second, to create a connection object, get connection is the method. Then next one is statement of object, the get statement is method. Okay, so every steps have one method. The last close method is used for the close object. Okay, then execute query for 4 step, execute the query. Okay, so remember the methods for every steps. Okay, so in today's video we see the Java database connectivity with the any Java application. Okay, 5 steps is very important. Okay, so thank you.